welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Angela, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different on my channel that I've never really done before. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that I'm like really big on like skincare, and I've just kind of started getting into like anti-aging products. And anti-aging products can be really, really expensive. So I went on Amazon and I did some research to try and find like a face mask that would help with like anti-aging and also have a lot of other benefits as well. But before we go ahead and hop on into that video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do lots of varieties of videos, anything from daily vlogs or weekly vlogs to tutorials, reviews, hauls. So if you like a little bit of everything, I don't want you to miss out on future videos. But with that being said, let's go ahead and hop on into this video. So today's video is going to be a review slash thoughts or whatever you want to call it on a mud mask that I found on Amazon. Basically, it's this green tea matcha mud mask, and it is by a brand called Once Upon a Tea, which I think is really, really cute. Let me go ahead and read to you what it's supposed to do. So it says, green tea matcha mud mask is an advanced facial treatment that gives your skin a spa-like sensorial experience. With a unique formulation of volcanic muds and green tea extract, penetrates deep into the skin and visibly reduces the appearance of fine lines of wrinkles. It also protects against free radicals, balancing out your skin's natural pH, and provides even healthy looking skin tone. So I found it on Amazon for, I think with tax and everything, it's $16.71. And the reason I got it to try it out is because it has really, really great reviews. It has 386 reviews, 4.5 stars out of 386 reviews. So I don't know if you guys can see that. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and link this down in the description below in this video if you guys decide that you want to try this out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it over a week period and use it at least 3 times and kind of like give my thoughts over the time what I think of it, because I actually got a couple emails from the carrier of this brand. When I first ordered it, she sent me a nice little email just like welcoming me and thanking me for buying the product, which was really, really nice. And then in the second email, when she saw that I had received my product, she sent me a follow-up email just making sure everything was okay. And she did send me some tips on how to use this product to get the best results. So she said, it's better to do the mask before going to bed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it out 3 nights this week before I go to sleep. So you're supposed to cleanse your face well with a gentle scrub, then wash off with warm water, and then you're gonna apply the mask all over the face, avoid eye and lip area, and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. But this is what the face mask looks like. The packaging is really, really great. And for 16 bucks, it's a very good size. For 16 bucks, it's a very, very good size bottle. So, you know, if you go into like, you know, like other like high-end stores and stuff for like anti-aging products, I know the one that I bought at Sephora a couple weeks ago, it came with the sample sizes of all these different things, but it was like over 70 bucks, you guys. And there's nothing wrong with that, but if you are on a budget, this could be a good option for you. So I already like the way it looks. I'm like obsessed with face masks. I feel so refreshed after I do face masks. It smells really good. It smells like, it's not like super, super strong scented. It just smells like this like natural type of like green tea, I don't know, scent. With that being said, I will see you guys later tonight when I apply this mask. All right guys, so it is currently 9:30 at night on the same day. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face, and I'm gonna go ahead and try out this face mask and give you guys my first impressions of what I think. So this is day 1 of trying out this green tea matcha face mask. Is anybody getting Joker vibes from this? Because I totally am. So we're going to go ahead and apply it. So this is the mask, and it says apply onto cleansed face, avoiding lip and eye area, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. So that is what we are going to do.
Okay guys, I moved to Gustavo's bathroom for a second because the fan in my bathroom came on and I can't talk in there. You won't be able to hear me. But anyways, I am done putting on the mask. So I'm going to set my alarm to go off in 15 minutes and then I will be back. But it feels pretty good so far on my skin. I feel kind of like a tingling sensation. Kind of like, not burning, but like a little bit of like, I think my skin's just irritated from all the makeup I've been wearing, so that's kind of normal for me since I have sensitive skin. That's really not out of the norm for me, but it feels cold and it feels like a little tingly, but it feels good, and I'm getting like Jim Carrey from The Mask vibes. So I will see you guys in 15 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 15 minutes. Some of the mask is dry and some of it's not. I think I probably just put it on too thick, but I'm still gonna go ahead and wash it off because it's getting late and I'm tired. Okay guys, I'm sorry about that. I had to move to Gustavo's bathroom again because my fan went on again. It's driving me crazy. But anyways, like I said, it feels a lot softer. It feels like the redness is like really gone. At least really like lightened up. And then after this isn't part of the review or anything, this is just kind of like a tip, I guess. After I wash my face every night and, you know, whether I do a face mask or not, I always make sure that I moisturize very, very well. Because one of the biggest keys to anti-aging is definitely having a good moisturizer, especially if you are like me and you struggle with having really, really dry skin. Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of trying out this matcha green tea mask. I did see after the first day, like in the morning when I woke up, I felt like my skin looked a lot more rejuvenated and like even skin tone, and it was very moisturized. Right now, it's obviously like my skin's really dry right now just because I did wear a lot of makeup today. Not like a lot, but I wore a full face. So, you know, the foundation, the contour, lots of eye makeup and stuff like that. And I just think that no matter what, if you have really dry skin, it's just going to be prone to being dry after wearing, you know, a full face of makeup all day, which is why I like to try out products like this, because it's really good to just moisturize when your skin has just been covered in, you know, makeup and chemicals pretty much all day. So let's go ahead and apply the mask. Alright guys, I've had the mask on for about 15 minutes and it's pretty good and dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off and we'll see if there is, you know, a difference. So again, like the first time that I used it, I do feel like there is a significant difference. Like I even feel more awake, if that makes sense. I think just because my skin feels less tight and it just feels so like refreshed and like really soft. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference from before I did the mask, but I definitely can, at least in person. You might not be able to tell a difference on camera. I'll see if I can put like a side-by-side from when I was talking before I had put it on. I feel like the redness has reduced significantly. The tightness is just not as much, and yeah, it just feels really, really soft. Of course, I'm still gonna apply a moisturizer because like I said, I have naturally really dry skin, so I have to moisturize. So yeah, I'm liking it so far. We just have one more day to test out. I'm gonna use it 3 times this week, and then I'll kind of post a side-by-side of the first day that I did it to see if there's like a difference from the day that I started from the beginning of the week. So I will see you guys on day 3. Hey guys, it's Saturday. This is day 3 of doing the face mask. So this is the last day this week that I'll be testing it out, since it's recommended to use it 2 to 3 times a week. It's like 9:30 at night. I went ahead and skipped the process of putting the mask on camera and all that fun stuff since I did that the first 2 nights. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this mask sit for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it off, and then I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts on this mask. Alright guys, so I just washed off my mask. I have not moisturized my face yet. I wanted to kind of show you guys again what my face looks like after I do the mask. Again, I wear a pretty full face of makeup today, so I feel like after using it, my face just looks super, super rejuvenated.
So I went ahead and took photos the first day I did the mask, and I took another photo after I did the mask a 3rd time. So the photo on the left is from day 1, the photo on the right is from day 3, and I don't know about you guys, but I can definitely see a difference in my face. I see a huge difference in, number 1, the redness in my face. The irritation has gone down a lot. My skin complexion looks a lot more clear. It looks a lot more bright. And also too, I feel like the fine lines, especially under my eyes and also on the side of my forehead, have gone down a lot. And one of the big things I really notice is the puffiness on the top of my eyelid, and also underneath as well. I feel like the under eye circles aren't as deep, and I feel like the puffiness has just gone down a lot. So I see a significant difference in just using this product for 3 days.
All right guys, that's all I have for you today. If you're wondering why I have bangs right now and I didn't at the beginning of the video, that's because when I initially filmed this review, I did film an outro, but I think I accidentally deleted it because I can't find it anywhere. But anyways, with that being said, I hope you guys could see a difference from the side-by-side photos that I showed you. I definitely think that this is a really great product, especially for the price. You know, it's a really big product. I've been using it for a while now, and it's under $17, and I can see a huge difference in the, you know, the health of my skin, the fine lines, the complexion. My complexion just looks so much better, and it really just adds so much more moisture back into my skin. So if you have a similar skin type as me and you want to try this out, I would definitely recommend it, especially if you are somebody who is on a budget and you want something that is not going to break your bank. So if you have any questions for me, definitely post them in the comments below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!